When Judge Clarence Cooper first heard he had been assigned to preside at the trial of Wayne Williams, he was, as one friend described it, overwhelmed. Not a surprising response, considering Cooper, at the time, had only been on the bench for 6 months and had only handled 2 other murder cases. But the freshman judge rose to the occasion. He inspected thousands of pages of police records to familiarize himself with the case and spent hours reviewing the law dealing with highly publicized trials. Since the trial began, Cooper has, as one attorney put it, bent over backwards to make sure there are no slip-ups. He has ordered strict security over every aspect of the trial, from the protection of Williams himself to the searching of spectators going into the courtroom every day, and has extended a gag order for the remainder of the trial, barring anyone connected with the case from discussing it at all. However, the judge has not received straight A's from everyone involved in the case. He had several well-publicized run-ins with defense attorney Mary Welcome before the trial even began, and some attorneys complained privately that he is sometimes too slow in responding to motions they set before him.
I'm glad that he is. I would hate to see him shooting from the hip.
Robert Stubbs is Executive Assistant State Attorney General and was a law professor of Cooper's at Emory University.
This is a case that's going to be treated extensively in the media. It may make the law books, but I think he's sensitive to the fact that there may well be other indictments against this defendant or perhaps some other defendant involving this type of trial, this type of evidence, the complexity that is likely to arise here, and I think he would be concerned that he not go off on approaches to the evidence or in rulings that might impair in some way the course of later trials.
Not only is Cooper in the hot seat because of the sensitive nature of the trial, he is also in the rather touchy position of facing his former boss in the courtroom every day. Cooper served as assistant district attorney under Louis Slayton. He also saw a lot of defense attorney Mary Welcome when she was a city solicitor and he was a municipal court judge. Friends say now that the trial is well underway, Judge Cooper seems more relaxed and is even getting used to the hordes of reporters that surround him every day on his way in and out of the courthouse. But for the next 6 weeks, or however long the trial lasts, this judge himself will be judged. Ernie?